Hey everybody, welcome back to my BakeLikeAPro YouTube channel. In today's really fun video, we are going to make some amazing banana muffins. In a previous video, I used this exact recipe to make an amazing banana bread, and now we're going to use the same recipe and we're going to make banana muffins instead. We're going to need 2 cups or 300 grams of all-purpose flour. All-purpose flour is also called plain flour. 1 cup or 200 grams of granulated sugar, 1 cup or 100 grams of walnuts, a half a cup or 114 grams of salted butter, 2 large eggs, 1 teaspoon or 5 grams of vanilla extract, 1.5 teaspoons or 7 grams of baking soda, a half a teaspoon or 2 grams of salt, a half a teaspoon or 1 gram of cinnamon, and 3 large ripe bananas. So those are the ingredients, so let's get started. The first thing we'll do is mash our bananas. And then we'll add in our melted butter. And I am using salted butter, but I am adding a little bit of extra salt into my recipe. And then take a fork and scramble your eggs. And then we'll add those in. And make sure that you do have your oven preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 177 degrees Celsius. And then we'll add in our flour, our sugar, our baking soda, our salt, our cinnamon, and then give that a stir. And then our little bit of vanilla extract. And at this point, the recipe is almost over. Just mix this completely until everything looks nice. And that's it for the recipe. Just give it a good mix, and then we're going to add in our walnuts. And you do want to keep a few walnuts on the side to place on top of our banana muffins. This recipe makes 12 regular muffins, and you can see that we're filling the muffins right to the top. And then if you kept some walnuts to the side, you can add those to the top of the muffins before they go into the oven. And it's nice to add the extra walnuts to the top. It's just a nice little finishing touch. And then we're going to place this into our 350 degree Fahrenheit oven for a total of 25 minutes. And here they are right out of the oven, and they look amazing and smell even better. You are going to love this recipe. And just to finish off our video, let's open one and show you what they look like inside. Try this recipe once and you're going to fall in love, guaranteed. And I just want to quickly say thank you to everybody who has been watching and sharing my videos. It really helps me a lot. Thank you. If you want to see the recipe for the banana bread, I'll put a link to it at the end of this video and also under the video in the description box. And underneath the video, you'll also find the full recipe that I typed out. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you wish. And if you're on Facebook, you can check me out at facebook.com/BakeLikeAPro. That's it for today, and I'll see you next time. And please subscribe to my BakeLikeAPro YouTube channel and also click that notification bell to be alerted every time I upload a brand new video.